As India continues to reel under a traumatic battle against COVID-19 pandemic, influential American lawmakers cutting across ideological lines have come out in support of India, which reported on Tuesday more than 3,23,000 new COVID-19 cases and 2,771 deaths over the past 24 hours. On Monday night, after his phone call with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, President Joe Biden said that India was there for the American people in their hour of need and the United States will be there for the country as it meets its worst ever public health crisis. The urgent help announced by the White House ranged from oxygen supplies to raw materials for COVID-19 vaccines to critical life-saving drugs to PPEs. On Tuesday morning, a shipment of vital medical supplies from the United Kingdom, including 100 ventilators and 95 oxygen concentrators, arrived in India earlier this morning, the Ministry of External Affairs said. US President Joe Biden, after his phone call with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, has said that India was there for the American people in their hour of need and the United States will be there for their ally that is facing a public health crisis. The two leaders spoke on Monday as the Biden administration swung into action to provide assistance to India in its fight against the pandemic. The urgent help announced by the White House ranged from oxygen supplies to raw materials for COVID-19 vaccines to critical life-saving drugs to PPE kits. This was the second telephonic conversation between the two leaders after Biden was sworn in as the 46th President of the United States on January 20th. India will receive a first batch of Russia's Sputnik V vaccine against COVID-19 on May 1st, the head of Russian Direct Investment Fund told Reuters on Monday. He did not say how many vaccines would be in the first batch or where they would be made. India, in the grip of a second wave of the pandemic, is struggling to tackle surging coronavirus infections that are overwhelming hospitals, and countries like Britain, Germany, and the United States have pledged. The authorities have directed for converting 100 rooms of Ashoka Hotel in Lutyens, Delhi into a COVID health facility for High Court judges, judicial staff and their families. In an order issued by the Sub-Divisional Magistrate of Chanakyapuri on Sunday, it was stated that the COVID facility at Ashoka Hotel will be associated with Primus Hospital. The hospital will run the facility at Ashoka Hotel and also handle the biomedical waste disposal. The staff of the hotel will be provided all protective gear and given basic adequate training, stated the order. It will also provide ambulance for transfer of patients, while the hotel will provide services including rooms, housekeeping, disinfection and food for the patients, it said. The situation in India, where COVID-19 cases have surged, is beyond heartbreaking, and the World Health Organization is sending extra staff and supplies there to help fight the pandemic, WHO chief said on Monday. WHO is doing everything we can, providing critical equipment and supplies, including thousands of oxygen concentrators, prefabricated mobile field hospitals, and laboratory supplies, Tedros told a briefing. He said he had already announced 2,600 extra WHO staff members were going to India to help support the efforts to fight the disease.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.